Hey everyone, it is Mr. Blast here. I'm gonna got some good news. I'm feeling much better, but my nose stopped up and still running and still coughing. So, yeah. Yeah, see, so I'm so sorry. And I'm sorry I haven't posted any videos I think last week because I was sick to my stomach because okay. You see, in the morning I was so sick, and because my head was hurting, and and my body hurts, and I feel something sick in my stomach. Then I got up, and I didn't make it to the bathroom or outside on time. I totally throw up. Then I went to the doctor, and doctor said that Dr. Mary said that I gotta eat some small things, not big things, because it make me sick more. So, so you see, it's killing me because it's making me very much worse. And so you see that day didn't go so well. It is making me sick, just like the last time for past few years. So, yeah. But I'm trying my best to be feeling better. I'm trying my best. So, yeah. Well, guys, that's gonna be this video. That's all I want to tell you. That I'm feeling much better. Still trying to be feel better. So, I'll see you guys in the next vlog.